guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate and today I'm going to be showing you probably the easiest and most efficient way to clean your beauty blenders. I know I am wearing the same thing and look the same from my last video of cleaning your actual brushes, like your little brushes here. That's because I just filmed it, but if you want to go watch it, click the card up here, whatever way it comes out of. Check that out too. But other than that, let's get started in cleaning our beauty blenders. Okay, so I have my beauty blender here, which is a little black one, looks like this. Pretty dirty, but it could be worse. And then I also thought, oh, why not? I'll just clean my sister's because it's here and, you know, I'm feeling a little nice today. So I went, got her beauty blender, and it looks like this. Now let me get a close-up shot of this for you guys. I know I put my beauty blender through the ringer, but this is something else. Okay, so to start off, I always take my beauty blender, just wet it, and then I'll take some dish soap, any dish soap we have at the time. Right now we have Dawn dish soap, and I'll just wet it and then rub some dish soap in it. You can also use your beauty blender soap that comes with the beauty blender if you buy it that way, but I feel like a lot of times when I need to clean my beauty blender, I don't have that soap. I'm either out or I just can't find it, so this is our alternative. And just take it in, rub it in there. And then once I have that all soapy up and stuff, I'll take a coffee mug and then put some water in that. And just fill it up like a little more than halfway, not full all the way. And then I'll take my soapy beauty blender and then just stick it in there. And I like squeezing it while I put it in so it like soaks up some of the water while it's in there. And then I'll put a tiny more soap on top of it. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna take this cup with the beauty blender and stick it in the microwave for about, let's do like 45 seconds. Depending on your microwave, depends on how faster it heats up. So we'll see how this goes. So it's been about 45 seconds. Okay, the water is good. Let me switch it out, put hers in there. And then this is the part where you need to be very careful with, because this water is extremely hot, and don't make the mistake I did last time doing this. I just took my beauty blender out and squeezed the water. Now the problem with that is this is a sponge, so all the hot water is still inside, so when you squeeze it, you're basically burning your hand. So what you want to do is find some like tongs or utensils to squeeze it out with. Okay, so I just have this spoon. I'm going to take this cup and empty the dirty water out. I'll show you how much makeup comes out of it, and then I'll just rinse it off with some cold water so it dulls down the heat. Okay, so then just cool water in here. And then when doing that, I'll just kind of squeeze it out with the spoon just to get any excess makeup out. And then when it's done, I'll just put it on the towel to let it dry for a second. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other beauty blender. Now that we have both of the beauty blenders clean, I'm going to show you the final outcome of them. And then this is what the black one looked like before. This is the black one. Pink marbled one looked like before. And then this is the pink marble one. So I hope this helped you guys with cleaning your beauty blenders and taught you how you can clean them also, just really quick and easy way. Probably would only take you less than 2 minutes when you're doing it by yourself at home. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Check out my video I already posted of how to clean your actual brushes a quick and easy way, also using Dawn dish soap. Make sure you check out all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!